Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Frangipane mince pies. Let's begin. I already have a pastry recipe up on my channel and over on my blog, so I'll leave a link to those down below if you're interested in making my pastry. As it always works, it's my no-fail pastry. So after your pastry has chilled for around about an hour in the fridge, flour your work surface with a generous amount of flour, then start to roll your pastry out until it's around 5mm in thickness. Now that your pastry has been rolled out, you can take a 3-inch round or crimped edge cookie cutter and cut out your pastry cases. If you roll it out correctly, you should be able to get 6 on there, just about. But if you're doing the double recipe, so you're using a whole lot of pastry, you should be able to get 12 very easily. You can then go ahead and take a cupcake or a muffin tin and place your pastry cutouts into it, just gently pressing down so it's in all of the edges of the tin, and you'll want to repeat this for all 6 of your cutouts, being careful not to tear or rip them, and you want to keep that crimped edge as we're not going to be covering it today. Once you have done all of your cases, you will then want to place them in the fridge while you make the frangipane filling. To make the frangipane, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter, the granulated sugar, your ground almonds, plain flour and an egg, and mix everything together until a clear batter has formed. As you can start to combine all of the ingredients, you will notice that it's not like a light and fluffy cake batter, and that's completely normal. You're just looking for it to be combined, and it will have a more coarse looking texture, and that's due to the ground almonds. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. To assemble the mince pies, you'll want to take your pastry cases out of the fridge and then fill them with a heaped tablespoon of the mincemeat filling. Feel free to use homemade or shop bought. Fill all of your cases with the same amount. Then on top of the mincemeat, you'll want to add a generous tablespoon of the frangipane filling and just spread it out a little bit so it's covering the mincemeat or almost covering it. Just remember that frangipane isn't the same as a normal cake batter, as it's almond based and it doesn't spread and rise as much, which is perfect for this recipe, so fill them right up to the top and they won't overflow. As always, I will leave all the baking times and temperatures and all the other information you need on the blog post, which will be linked down below. So once your mince pies have been baked and are later fully cool, you can then go ahead and finish them off with a dusting of icing sugar. This is the perfect way to finish them off. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. So don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.